What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today's episode is Stamping Saturday, and our theme this week is birds. So, I find it interesting that out of the hundreds of plates I have, I don't know, I do have like some birds. I think I already put it away. But they were like, I don't know. I felt like a summer bird. So I looked for a flamingo, and I have a few flamingos, and I think I've used them before, and I just wanted to do something different, as you guys know me. So this is a Beauty Big Bang XL065. We're going to focus on this peacock and this feather right here. So these two images right there. Monocle, Stamper, and Scraper, and Bam White. And this is called a Fairy Tale. You can't... Excuse me. So on camera, I did this mani as I always do before I turn the camera on. I clean everything up and I start over. So, and I switched. Literally, I put all of these colors to the test. I literally used all of these before I came to this one. So, yeah. And that's why I just wiped everything off with alcohol, because my war on weeds and my constant need to get everything, I don't know, the way it is in my head. So, Fairy Tale, and you can't really see the holographic on camera once I stamp it, but you really can see it in real life. If you were right here, you would see. I mean, you're right there, but not right. You know what I mean. All right, so I'm gonna what I'm gonna do is marble the two on the image specifically. When it's all over, I am going to, well, when we're all done, smudge free top coat, not when it's all over. But I'm gonna wipe there, use my lid to help my scraper, and I'll show you what I mean by a bit of marbling. So I think I want his little, whatever that fancy thing is, above his, I don't know what you call it. And so then I'm going to take Fairy Tale and just kind of go in between. Just make sure I don't get any of the white of the other. Don't mix the peanut butter and chocolate. That's all I'm saying. Wipe it off before. So I scraped it twice. I don't need the more you scrape, the more it's going to blend. And I really wanted to keep that one spot. I don't know what you call those. His little top feathers. I wanted to keep that white, as, white-ish. So scrape more than once, you blend it more. What am I trying to say? I think okie dokie, just like that. Clean that off on my lint roller. It's so cold here. So these glow in the dark, I'll put a picture of that glow up. And then after I stamp, I'll try and get a picture and see if you can tell that it glows after we stamp. Make sense? Okay, good. So I'm going to use this image right here next to the peacock. It's a peacock feather, but I'm going to specifically put the white in that center spot. And then the fairy tale, you can just go to the outside, but make sure you get all of the image. See, I laid it down, and that's silly. Why'd I do that? So I think what I want to do is turn it this way. You might be able to see some of the holographic in that fairy tale, but it is definitely a lot more visible, in person. A lot more visible. I don't know if that's the word I was looking for, but you can definitely see it. And yeah, it's like 4 something. Oh, it's 5. It's 5 o'clock in the morning. So again, I'm just going to put the white in the middle and scrape twice. And I'm going to flip, I think, I don't know, I just don't want them the same direction, but I don't want them laying the same, I just want them moving in the same direction. Hope that made sense. All right, so I'm only going to do these 3. I'm only going to stamp these 3 nails. I am going to smudge, smudge-free top coat, and then top coat probably with Orly. It's sitting right here. Yes, I clean my desk off. I just leave things that I use a lot there. Anywho, I'll be right back. Okay, so I just put smudge-free top coat on, but I did pop them in the lamp just to set the glow, and look how pretty. So my left hand glows blue, left hand blue. I don't know how long I'm going to do left hand blue, but that's what we're doing. Anyway, so here in regular light. So cute. I'm going to top coat and cuticle oil. I'll give you a shot at the end of the video following everyone else who participates in this week's video. Collaboration. That's what I meant to say. Links to their videos down in the description box. Subscribe if you haven't. Please consider joining me on my journey here on YouTube. Anyway, give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment. What do you think? No, peacocks are not white and purple, but you know what? They work. And I really like the color combo. So I'm going to catch you in the next one. Don't forget, smile at the grumpy. Bye.